Dadeha. My name is Boris Mitić. I am a documentary filmmaker, producer, and lecturer from Serbia. I'm happy to be in Chengdu for the first time and in China for my fifth time. And this time I will be a documentary jury member at the second edition of the Golden Panda Awards. For me, every visit to China is a wonderful experience. I've been coming 5 times in various parts. Always feels like a new variation of something very interesting and very rewarding. And that's almost how film works also, right? We always go to watch the same stories, but with a new variation. So Chengdu and Sichuan for me is a new variation on my always wonderful Chinese experiences. The Golden Panda Awards, I think, is a nice mix of documentaries that are destined for television and documentaries that are destined for cinema. So factual, informative programming and more cinematic storytelling. It is also a great mix of points of view, the Chinese one and the global one. And in that sense, it's a great meeting place of cultures and of styles of filmmaking. I have a special interest in Chinese documentaries because there's so many stories to tell that we don't know in the rest of the world. And also things are changing so fast that it's always interesting to reinterpret the stories that we even think we know in new ways. China is incredible at learning and at mixing ideas from all over the world and turning them into something that is very efficient, very effective, and very beautiful. So I think that maybe it's been only 10 years since I started discovering the Chinese artistic scene, and I think the progress speed is incredible of how quickly Chinese documentaries are adapting the best of all worlds, and I hope that along the way they will not lose a little bit of the authentic Chinese type of storytelling. In my career, I have worked only once with some Chinese cinematographers in the making of my last documentary, which is a strange artistic documentary about nothing. So I challenged many cinematographers around the world. I know you guys can film everything, but can you film nothing? And of course, I wanted to have also some Chinese cinematographers to take that task, and they did. And they sent material which was at the same time very unique, but also very compatible with the work of the other cinematographers from other parts of the world. Young filmmakers all over the world should be hungry learners. And they should learn about life, they should learn about cinema. They should practice their own and learn on their own skin, but also they should take all the advice possible, but also reinterpret all this advice. And along the way, they must not lose what makes them themselves, first name, last name. They should be at the same time citizens of China and citizens of the world and, human beings in this wonderful universe. I think that documentaries will be shorter and shorter, faster, and done with more and more use of artificial intelligence in terms of image creation, sound creation, music creation, editing. I'm not really sure it's great, but I think it's not my style of filmmaking, but I think it's inevitable. So, but like with every change, I think there's going to be some fast, quick reactions. Let's try everything possible. But then there'll be some readjustments. And of course, storytelling will always win. I wish that the Golden Panda Awards live up to their mission as a place of merging Chinese and international talent and films from all aspects of life.